listen. There will be no food for you in this house until you change your ways.
Feeling chokes him too. At least I should have let him come closer. Mama, what is wrong with you? At least you should have let him touch you. Oh.
You're still awake?
Oh, Mom. Yes.
You look happy this night.
Yes, Mom.
Do you mind sharing a bit of that with me?
Not yet.
Not yet. Norma, are you in love? Who is he?
Mom, nobody.
Okay. Alright. If you don't mind sharing that with me now, I will wait. Meanwhile, good night.
Good night, Mom. Mom?
Yes?
Are you not forgetting something?
Okay?
You too. Good night.
Good night.
Are you alright?
Yes, sir.
That's your camera. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, sir. I'm fine.
You okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Thank you very much.
It's okay. As you can see, there's a lot of rocks in this village.
Yes, thank you.
Don't always walk on this path alone, please.
No, I won't. I won't do it again.
You're alright, eh?
Yes, I'm fine.
You can go now.
No. I can't walk alone. Please just walk me down a little bit. I'm scared. Please.
It's okay. Let's go.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm fine.
It's okay. Calm down. It's okay.
How did it go? Mama, your son came to her rescue.
My son?
Yes.
What, you went to the 8th grade meeting?
Mama, your son hit my head terribly. My head aches.
Listen, you have to try again. Please.
Okay, so this is our house.
Please.
Yes.
Okay?
Do you mind coming in to say hello to my mom?
No. I'm going for our age grade meeting. Maybe some other time.
Okay, that's fine. Can I at least have your phone number?
I don't have a phone, no.
No, you are joking, right?
I'm serious.
You don't have a phone at this age.
Not everyone has everything at his age.
Okay, but please do come in so at least I could write my number for you on a paper.
Even if you write your number and give to me, I don't have a phone to call you.
Okay, I give up. But I still insist you come in and say hello to my mom.
Time.
The house is here.
Okay.
Just come in. Mom! Mom! Mom, just come. Come and be so careful now. He saved me from the hands of rapists today.
What? Rapist? Are you okay? How? Where?
Mom, I am fine. All thanks to Obiefuna. He was there for me on time.
Good evening. You're the same man that picked my purse the other day at the market.
Yes, I am.
Today you saved my daughter from rapists. You must be a well-groomed man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Just give me a few seconds.
Come on, Obiefuna. It's just a seat.
He's very mifun.
No, but wait. You mean you're the one who picked up my mom's purse?
I didn't know she was your mother.
Are you serious?
Hey.
Do you know what that purse contained?
No.
Her international passport and some very important documents. Thank you.
Thank God,
She was complaining about that purse.
You see what happened that day?
Are you serious? She was still complaining. I didn't even know you were the one that picked him. You see how big it was.
Please, take. I can't thank you enough. Just take this.
No, ma. I didn't do that for you to pay me.
Come on, I am not paying you. I'm only giving you some money to appreciate you for your kind gesture. Yes.
No. I don't need your money.
Take it. Take it.
And they say there are no longer good people in this world. Thank you.
It's okay, ma. I'm going for our age grade meeting before that happened. So I'm already late.
No. You are having dinner with us today. So come. You're not going anywhere. Just come. No, you won't say no to my food.
I have to go now.
No.
Just come. It's
Come.
food.
Come.
Please.
Sit. All I get for today. Okay.
Mama! Mama!
Is this your house?
Yes.
This place looks familiar.
Onye!
Mama! Hey!
You! What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house, you wicked woman? I looked for you everywhere. I searched for you.
You know each other?
I do not want to see you near my house. Now leave my house!
Mama!
Go away!
Mama, stop it! Mama?
Mom, what is going on? What is going on? Mom! Obiafuna! Mom!
Mom, what is going on?
It's a long story.
Well, I want to hear the long story. That woman was so furious. What did you do to her that she cannot forget?
No, ma. This place is a small world.
You're still not talking.
I thought the past has gone. I thought this has passed and passed for good.
You're scaring me. Please talk to me. What is going on?
I really am not in the mood to talk about this now.
Mama, talk to me. What did she do to you?
Obiefuna, I want you to stay away from that woman and her daughter. She is evil and wicked.
But you've not told me what she did.
Just stay away from that family if you don't want to die. I know them too well.
Obiefuna, how are you? Are you alright?
My mother will not be happy if she comes out and see you here.
That is why I am here. We need to talk. We need to ask them what is going on. I need to get some...
Yeah. Go and start from your wicked mother. She's the one that needs questions to answer.
Good morning, ma.
I don't need your money. Jide! Listen, I don't want to ever see you here or your mother. Get out of my heart before I lay my anger on you. Get out!
Mama, what are you people not telling us?
Listen, I don't want to ever see this girl near this house again. Go back to sweep. Go back or kill him. Sweep! Eh? Okay, go on.
Why are you behaving like a village boy?
Don't call me that.
I did not call you a village boy.
You just called me that.
I didn't say it that way. I didn't mean it that way. I only said you're behaving like one. Okay. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way. I was only teasing you.
Just before sorry for yourself. I don't need your sorry. I don't need it.
Really? Is that how you want it? All right.
What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Eh? What is wrong with me? Norma. Norma. Okay, wait. Okay. I'm sorry. Wait. Norma. 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 Norma.
What is it? I was saying I was sorry, yet you refused to forgive me.
Nah, forgiving you now.
I've heard you. Bye-bye.
No. No. Norma. If this is true love, why does it hurt? No more. Why can't I take you off my mind for a second? Why am I punishing myself thinking so much about you? This is real love. But it hurts. It's full of hurt.
Biamokem, go inside before you start telling me the story of how you saw a ghost.
I would do anything just for you.
Moi. Hello. Yeah, Chineke. Look, let me correct you. In this village, you do not just see anybody and say hello. You greet properly.
Okay, I'm sorry. Good afternoon.
Afternoon to you. What can I do for you?
Please, can you deliver this letter to Obiefuna for me, please?
This letter?
Yes.
To my friend, my personal person, Obiefuna. You don't have any problem. This letter will get to his hand direct. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you very much.
Don't worry.
Please, make sure you deliver the letter to him.
You have no problem. See, this letter will get to his hand. In fact, right now, I am going to his house right away.
Okay. Thank you.
Beloved, the web. Shock. Fiercely. Can you imagine this beautiful girl? She loves Obiefuna so much and she wants me, Uche, to deliver this letter to Obiefuna. We shall see. We shall see. Obi, hey, my man, my man, my man.
How are you?
I'm okay, I'm good. I have a package for you.
What package?
Yes, from that city girl, that fair-looking complexion girl. Yes, this is the package. This letter is from her to you, through me.
Chimo,
What is it?
this girl just insulted me.
Read it out. Let me hear you. Huh? Let me hear. Obiefuna, the village boy. Child. How on earth do you think this will work between us? You are wretched, stinking, hungry looking, and an illiterate boy.
Uche, stop.
No, let me finish the last line.
Uche is enough.
This girl is stupid. If I were you, I will insult her back.
Uche, you can go.
No, let's be serious. Who does she think she is? How much do they have?
Uche, I said you can go home.
Are you telling Uche, your best friend, to go home?
Uche, I am very angry. Please go home.
Che, love killing me or die. Anyway, it is a message. I just deliver. Pyom. Anyway.
So strong, oh. Hey. It's unpredictable. I can't let
you not see me?
And then? If I see you then, so what do you want me to do? To bow for you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't greet properly. Did you get my letter?
Oh, you have the gut to open your mouth to ask me if I got your insult. Yes, I got your insult. Thank you.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
How would you understand? You're not using me to learn English. Okay?
But I didn't do anything.
What is it? What is it? Leave me alone and go home. Go home.
What wrong did I do to you? Obi! At least explain. Obi, please, at least. Did I do wrong? It was just a letter I read. Oh!
I shouldn't have shouted at her. What kind of love is this? I'm sorry. I'm sorry for shouting at you. Please.
It's okay. I'll be fine. I'll try to put you off my mind.
Okay, I think I'm sorry. No, ma. I said I'm sorry. No, no, please stop. Please wait. Please.
Just leave me alone.
I said I am sorry.
What wrong did I do to you?
You give me the... You insulted me in your letter.
I did not.
You did. Look at it. See.
This is not the letter I give to him to give you. This is not it.
That means he gave me the wrong letter.
I didn't write this.
Okay, Ini, I am sorry. I didn't know. I'm so sorry. Okay?
It's okay. I've forgiven you. Can I go now?
I know you're still very angry with me. But I've learned one thing today.
Which is?
Love should be greater than anger.
Did you see the letter I wrote for you?
No.
You didn't see the content?
I did not.
I said your love is magical. And it has caught me in its web. We need to talk. We need to know what they are hiding from us.
I've tried asking my mother what the problem is. She's still very angry.
You know, I think this problem is more than what we are taking it. My mother has not been the same since that day.
What are we going to do?
Yes. Let us revolt.
Revolt?
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, let us rebel.
I still don't understand the meaning.
Oh, goodness. Okay. What I'm saying in essence is, let us do something that will make them angry. Let us stand against them.
My mother is not that kind of person. She will kill me.
Lord, can you just stop behaving like your mother's toy?
You're insulting me now.
That is not an insult.
Anyway, I am going to the farm. We'll talk later.
Well, I'll go with you.
My mother will kill you.
Let her kill me. Let's go.
Please go back. I don't want any trouble. Please.
There will be no trouble. Let us go.
Just stay back. Stay back, please.
Huh?
Stop following me.
Why are you shouting? Are you a town crier? Why are you shouting? Let's go.
Just go back. Stay back, please. I don't want any problem.
There will be no problem. Let's go. Let's go now. Let's go.
You are my everything, and I breathe the love of my life. Oh, Hemenu Marna, Aniga Dio. Hemenu Marna, I got you.
Letter writer, you thought you fooled me. What are you talking about? Look, I didn't do anything. No.
Stop lying.
Just thank your God that I'm in a good mood, because I would have fed you with sand. Stupid. My love, let's go.
Hey, just stop lying.
Obiefuna and this is it girl. How did it happen? So Obiefuna and this is it girl are seen meandering on all the tricks that I use. Hey, Obiefuna.
What is keeping this boy? Eh? My son! Did you see my son Obiefuna?
I saw him along the road with that city girl, Norma.
You saw him with Norma?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Wicked woman! Evil woman! Where did your daughter take my son to?
I haven't seen my daughter too.
It's again?
Yes.
Hey! Is that your plan? So you want to kill him too? You and your daughter want to kill my son. Listen, I am not living here until you tell me where your daughter took my son to.
Let's go and look for them. Yes, let's go and look for them. The earlier the better.
Did I hear you say the earlier the better?
Yes.
Eh. Obiefuna, where have you been since you left the farm?
I want to check my trap.
It's again. When did you start setting trap?
Please, did you see Norma?
She went to the farm with me, but she left.
She left to where?
You said she was coming home.
She didn't come home. She didn't come. Where could she be?
Why are you asking my son that kind of question? Is he your daughter's keeper? Eh? Ngwa, iwa wabo. Una, no siso. Obiefuna, I don't know when you will stop behaving like a child. Eh? When I sent you to the farm this morning, did I ask you to carry anybody along? Eh? I have warned you time without numbers to stay away from that wicked woman and her daughter, but you wouldn't listen. Eh?
Mama, I am not going to that house with you until you tell me what that woman did to you.
It's again. Oh, you now talk back at me.
Mama, I said I am not going to that house with you.
How can you? But let me get to that house before you. Then I will teach you a lesson that you will live to remember. What are you doing here, you murderer?
I haven't seen my daughter.
Does this place look like a police station to you?
Please, if you know her whereabouts, just tell me.
I don't ever want to see you in this house again.
We need to talk.
There is nothing to talk about.
I searched for you for 3 years. I looked everywhere for you. And I have kept looking for you ever since.
Leave my house. I said leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Hit me. Hit me again if that will make you happy. Hit me if that will make you hear me out. I'm not leaving this place until you hear me out.
Seven years. 7 years of hardship and heartbreak. It was all your fault.
No. It was an accident.
But you did not deny being responsible. Neither did you accept killing him.
Because the mob wouldn't let me explain. Neither did you give me any chance to explain too.
I promised myself that whenever I set my eyes on you, that I must take my revenge. And I must do it.
Is that why my daughter is missing?
I haven't seen your daughter.
Please give her back to me. Give her back to me.
We are still talking about my husband. He barely got his life back. And you suddenly came and took him away after years of battling with cancer.
I wasn't responsible for his death. I am sorry you lost him.
What happened? Tell me the whole truth.
I parked my car by the side of the road.
Who is all out this car?
It's my car. What happened?
So you killed this man and you want to run away?
No, I didn't kill any man. My car was parked right here. What happened? I didn't hit him. Please help me. Let's take him to the hospital. Help me.
What happened to him?
Madam, is he your husband?
Yes.
This woman here hates him and wanted to run, but we caught her. Thank God you are here. Don't let her go. If anything happens to your husband, hold her responsible.
Wait. You did this to my husband.
It's not what you think.
Hey! Martha! Wait! No! Get up! Martha! Mother!
No, sorry. I didn't do it. Sorry. Sorry. I didn't do it.
What have you done?
I didn't do it.
What are you?
I didn't hit your husband and the bike man. Instead, the bike man hit my car.
And when you finally came, you did not show any remorse.
Knock, knock. Who is here? Who is here?
Yes?
Oh, good afternoon.
You murderer. You killed my husband. It will never be well with you. Never!
Calm down, woman. Just calm down.
Did I hear you say calm down? You're wicked. You will suffer.
Here is 100,000 naira. Use it to take his body home for burial. If there is anything else you need, let me know.
You have no remorse. You have no conscience. You came here to offer me money. Let me ask you. Can this money replace my husband's life? You will suffer. Take your foot. Wicked woman.
It was as if you came to flaunt your money to me. As if you came to tell me that I couldn't do anything.
I am sorry. I looked for you. I looked for you in that same house. People said you have passed. Somebody brought me to another house. And when I came there, someone said you moved after 1 week. I made a report to 2 police stations, but no one could find you.
Sorry. I was heartbroken. So I left town to find peace.
I'm so sorry I put you through all that. I'm so sorry. I'll do everything within my ability to make sure you are happy again. I am sorry.
Any problem?
Mama, can we talk to you? We finally found her. And we beat her till she fainted.
What?
Mama, I'm not sure she will survive this.
Where is she now?
Close to the stream, Mama.
Listen, you have to take me there.
What's going on?
You have to come with us now.
Okay.
Noma! Hey! Noma! Noma! Please, Noma, wake up. Somebody help me! Somebody help me, please! Somebody help me, oh! Somebody help me! Noma, please wake up. Noma. Somebody help me! Somebody! Come, please help me. Please.
No, I know what's wrong.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Go and look for somebody anyway. No. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Oh my God.
Take me home.
I'll take you home, okay? Please. Please, don't do this.
Take me home.
Mama, how could you have the heart to do that to her? How?
But I've said I'm sorry.
It's not enough. Sorry is not enough.
What else do you want me to do?
You have to repent. Mama, total change. We have to go to their house and tell them that you're sorry, and that has to come from your heart.
Come to say goodbye. I love you. Always.
Ne, you're not dead. Please don't go. Please don't leave me.
Till we meet to part no more.
Please wait. Ne. Noma. Noma.
Don't go, you're not dead. I hate you! I hate you! You are a murderer! Hey! God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid.
What is it?
God forbid.
God
forbid. mother, I'm suddenly killing my daughter. Get out of my house! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I'm not kill you! Don't touch me! If you come here, I'll kill you! I'll kill you! I'll kill you! I'll kill you!
You're happy now, eh? Are you not happy? Are you not happy now?
What is it?
Are you not happy now?
Ogini.
Norma is dead! Norma is dead, yes! I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you.
Obiefuna! Obiefuna!
She was all I had.
Mom, I know. And I'm so sorry for her death. My mother took her life this morning. I know how you feel. But I promise I am going to help you in any way a child can help a mother. I will always be around. But please, I want you to take me like your son. I've already taken you like my mother. But if you don't want to take me like your son, you can equally take me as your servant. And I will do anything you want me to do. I'll do anything to make you happy. I will.
I've left everything for God.
Thank you very much, Ma. Thank you.
I'm going to London next week to take a short rest. At least to unwind. To ease off build tension. Take care of myself a bit.
Mom, I don't know what to say. But I pray that God will guide you, protect you, bless everything you're going to do. You're a good woman. You're very kind. May God bless you, Ma.
It's alright. That's it. It's okay.
Sacrifice of love. This love is so strong, hey, it's unpredictable. I can't let you go off my heart, oh. I'll quit for
She's heartbroken.
The love of my life, oh. Hemenu mana anyigadio. Hemenu mana anyigadio. Sacrifice of love. No matter what may happen, I'll be there for you.
Mom, do you need anything?
No. But you've been working since morning. You need to take some rest.
I'm almost done. I will rest when I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Am I really doing this?
Ma?
Oh, nothing.
Obi! 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 Come.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you eaten?
I'm about to do that now.
Okay. When you're done eating, come and see me in my room.
Okay. Mom, I came to thank you for your clothes.
Hope you tested them.
Yeah, I did. And they're all nice.
They look good on you.
They're all so beautiful.
So go and enjoy.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. God bless you.
What a nice boy. He's really nice. I'll do everything to make him happy. Come on.
What are you doing?
Come on.
And what you're doing is not right.
It's right. Just hold me.
No, it's not right.
Just
Stop
hold
it, stop
me.
it, stop it.
Just hold me.
Stop it.
Touch me.
No, stop it.
Touch me. Just hold me.
Stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it, stop it.
Is this a dream or what? What sort of dream is this? Am I really crushing on this guy? Confused. Confused.
I wish you could see. I wish you could hear my voice.
What is this? I've warned you severally to put away this picture. That this picture reminds me of my pain. What are you doing? You said you were going to try everything to make me happy. Meanwhile, you're bringing me down memory lane to remember my pain. She was my life. She was my all. Is this the happiness you promised giving me? Asking you to put it away does not mean I do not love my daughter. It's for me to be able to survive. You bringing it up like this, you remind me of the happiness we both shared, of our joy, of the beautiful times we had together. If you keep doing this, you'll be leaving my house.
Mama, I'm sorry, but this is the only thing that makes me to remember her.
Really?
I miss her too. I miss her a lot. Having her picture makes me feel good.
You have to leave. The pain is choking me. I wanted us to live together as a family, so that I can pick up the pieces of my life together. It is like you don't want it. You can leave.
Oh, I'm sorry. I cannot do without this picture.
It's okay. Leave.
I would do anything just for you. Sacrifice of love. If this love is so strong, oh, hey, it's unpredictable. I can't let you go off my heart, oh, I'll quit for now.